Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix server disconnected error in Among Us. So if you're trying to play a game in Among Us and it just shows server disconnect, the main issue could be your internet. So check if your internet is slow or not. If your internet is slow as well, it could be the reason why you're facing the problem. And the second reason could be that the Among Us has not been updated. So go to your app store and over here where it says search, write Among Us. Check if there's any update available. So my Among Us says open, that means my Among Us is up to date. But if your Among Us showed update over here, click on update and update your Among Us. And the next thing is, let's say it shows server disconnect. In that case, just close Among Us. Make sure it's not running in your background. Once you close it, reopen it again. Sometimes simply closing and reopening Among Us should fix your issue. And if your issue is still not fixed even after doing this, the last option is to delete Among Us app and re-download it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so deleting and reinstalling the game fixes it. So that's how you guys can fix server disconnect error problem in Among Us. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.